What's up XRP holders, guys? In today's quick video I want to talk about this ongoing breakout for XRP. Is the breakout still good? Are we still looking healthy? What is the actual invalidation point? At which point do we need to say, okay, if we break below this, then unfortunately the breakout is not going on for XRP and we have to expect lower prices first. I also want to show you the price targets, and I want to talk about the liquidation heat map, which shows a very interesting picture here for XRP. So guys, all of this and much more in today's update video. So if you hold any XRP, I urge all of you to watch this video until the end. Also, don't forget to smash up the like button if you appreciate this content, and let me get straight into it. So guys, this is the 3-day time frame for XRP, and I'm going to start off here with the line chart, which basically focuses on the candlestick closes instead of all the wicks, and it gives us a very clear picture into what is currently happening for XRP. Now, in the last video we spoke about this breakout that is right now happening. XRP clearly broke beyond this downward trend line here on the 3-day time frame with multiple touch points basically since July. So guys, this is a very good development, but right now we do need to see the follow through to get to all of these price targets here. And for me to say, okay, maybe the breakout is not going according to plan, maybe the breakout got invalidated. Well, if we see a break below the trend ribbon, which I've right now enabled, the trend ribbon basically shows you whether we are in a bullish trend or in a bearish trend. XRP recently broke above the trend ribbon, as you can see, and we are right now retesting this as potential new support. Now, if we break below, I would say $2.95 approximately with a daily close or multiple closes, then yes, that could then unfortunately invalidate this ongoing breakout for XRP. And then I have to say, okay, I was wrong, and maybe we're going to go lower first before eventually further upside for XRP. But right now, guys, to be clear, XRP is still holding above the trend ribbons, above this downward trend line, which we are right now retesting. So watch $2.95 very closely for XRP. As long as we're holding that, we're still good to go to the upside. From the point of recording, we are trading above $3, so that is also a good sign. Now, something else that I want to show you is actually playing out here on the liquidity heat map for XRP. What we can see is that a lot of liquidation leverage is currently piling up around $2.25. What is key to understand, guys, is that price typically goes after the highest liquidity. So if the liquidity is below us, the majority of the liquidity, price typically tends to liquidate these positions first before eventually further upside. And vice versa, if the liquidity is stacking up above the current price, we typically tend to liquidate the short positions first before further downside. Right now, as you can see, the majority of the liquidity on this heat map is piling up around $2.25 approximately for XRP. So I would say just be careful of this. Yes, there is also liquidity above us, so it is also possible for price, of course, to liquidate the shorts as well. But if you're playing with high leverage, just be careful, guys, as there could be some volatility, maybe a liquidation wick or something before further upside. But as long as we're holding above $2.95, I'm still bullish in the immediate short term. Price targets to watch to the upside if we see further continuation. In the first instance, $3.60, which provided massive resistance here in July. And this shows you that these Fibonacci levels are very relevant and that price tends to respect these levels very well. So the first major area to pay attention towards is actually around $3.60. Then we have $4, which could provide psychological resistance for XRP, eventually $4.65, and maybe even as high as $5 or even higher. But guys, as I always say in all my videos, make sure to have an exit strategy. Secure the profits on the way up, as there are no guarantees in this space. And yeah, you want to be profitable at the end of the day. So it's very important to have such a plan. Also, guys, if you're interested in buying or trading XRP or any altcoin, I would highly recommend you to go to the first link down below in today's video description, which is the link to Phemex. And Phemex currently provides a $250 deposit bonus to my audience. Keep in mind, Phemex is an A-book exchange, which basically puts them in the same category as Bybit, Binance, for example. Alternatively, you can also trade on AscendEX, which is the second link down below in the description, where there is no KYC required. And if you're interested in my day trade signals, which I'm providing on a daily basis, then click on this link down below in the video description. But this was it for today, guys. I think the momentum is bullish. XRP looks bullish, but watch that $2.95. We need to stay above that to remain bullish here in the immediate short term. I want to thank you all for watching. For the support, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.